I'm not even at peg 1 yet. Look at this. Bloody hell. This is the worst I've known it. I'm not sure how far down I can get. That's just, oh my god. That's almost me done. I can't go any further already. That's literally, that is definitely not fishable without a boat. So I can progress. My new wellies on. That's just mad. I'm actually walking on the bank now. You want to get your barrow up here? New trout with her. Oh, that's me done. That is mad. Oh my god. Never seen like this before, ever.